In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in DaVinci Resolve. If you're organizing footage and want a quick way to label certain clips, tags can be really helpful. They make it easier to identify which shots you want to keep an eye on, which ones are your best options, and which ones you may not want to use. This is especially useful when you're working with a lot of media inside a project and want a faster way to sort through everything. To begin, go to your media pool. This is the area where your imported clips are stored, and it's where you can manage and organize your media before or during editing. Once you're in the media pool, find the specific clip you want to tag. After you've located the media you'd like to label, right-click on that clip. This will open a context menu with several options related to that piece of media. From that menu, look for the tag option. When you move over it, you'll see a few available tag choices that DaVinci Resolve provides. From there, you can choose the tag that best matches the clip. The available options include good take, untagged, and rejected. Good take is useful for marking clips that are strong selections and likely to be used in your edit. Untagged removes or leaves the clip without a label, which can be helpful if you want to reset it or keep it neutral. Rejected is useful for clips you know you probably won't use, so you can spot them quickly later. Once you click the tag you want, it will be applied immediately to that media clip. That's all you need to do. It's a very simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're reviewing footage and trying to stay organized. A good tip here is to be consistent with how you use your tags. For example, if you decide that good take means a clip is ready for editing, keep using it that way throughout the project. That way your media pool stays clear and easy to understand, especially if you come back to the project later. So again, just go to the media pool, right-click the clip you want to label, choose tag, and then select either good take, untagged, or rejected. And that's how to add tags in DaVinci Resolve.